The importance of the day is to emphasize the importance of the role and function of the judiciary in our democracy and to build upon the strong traditions of the past and also to recommit ourselves to service to the people of Jamaica and to improve the delivery of justice. So it is not about feeling or patting ourselves on the back, but really to bring to the forefront of our citizens that the judiciary is an integral part of the governance structure, that our primary role is to interpret and apply the laws of the Constitution in a just and fair manner to ensure that our society remains a law-abiding one, and also to do it quickly and efficiently so that persons come to the courts to resolve their disputes rather than seek other means that may not necessarily be appropriate.
Thank you, sir.
That is the purpose of it.
Thanks, sir.
One of the purposes.